Just did an oil change on a 2013 Toyota Corolla, and I thought I'd post this quick video about the Amazon Basic synthetic oil. Everything's great about the product, the price, and as you'll see, the biggest complaint about this product is the measurement size. So when the bottle arrives, you'll see that the material over here, it's not like your traditional bottle like this one, for example, where when it arrives you can see the level it's at. So it doesn't have a clear strip here like this one, and the material is too thick to see where the level is at for the oil. So unless you're using a full bottle, 5 quarts, then it's useful. If not, if you have something like this car, for example, where it takes 4.2, you can eye it. In most cases, I'm pretty good at I think I can judge it pretty well. But in case you're pretty much a beginner, I would say you could either empty this bottle into a used bottle that's empty and then just measure it that way. Or one trick that I found just sitting over here was, the levels. They have the liters and then the quarts on this side. So if you look at the bottle from the inside, you won't be able to catch it on camera, but unless you get the bottle, you can actually see the different levels. So for example, you can see this bottom one right over here. I can't really point it out, but here's another one, here's another line. So you can sort of see my finger on the other side. So you can pretty much tell how much oil you have left. So for example, I know this is 1 liter, since it's the last one on the bottom. So that's another way you could do it. If, for example, if you need like 4.5 or 4.2, most Hondas and Toyotas take around 4.2 to 4.6. So just thought I'd post this quick video in case it could help anyone. Let me know what you guys think.